The Inheritor. If you aren't already rich, this one isn't for you. The window is closed. The Inheritor didn't work hard or take risks. They just had a legendary spawn point. They were born into money, straight up spawned from a rich person's balls. No grind, no strategy, just boom. Welcome to a life of beachfront property and a private chef. It's like winning the lottery without even knowing a lottery existed, and then being annoyed that your driver took the long way home. Sure, people say being a trust fund baby kills your motivation and makes you soft, but it's hard to feel bad for someone having an existential crisis while they're teeing off on hole 7 with a Rolex tan line and a mimosa in hand. The stealth wealthy. This is the person who has mastered signal theory. He knows that in 2026, wearing a massive logo is just a poor person's tax to look upper class. He wears a plain navy sweater and drives a 10-year-old Volvo, but his bank account is a phone number. He doesn't want your attention, he wants your silence. While the new money crowd is busy posting their leased Lambos on Instagram, the stealth wealthy is quietly buying the land under the dealership. His logic is simple. If nobody knows you have money, nobody can try to take it. He's won the game because he's the only one who realized that privacy is the ultimate luxury. The Arbitrage Artist. You have $100 and a laptop. Most people would buy a pair of sneakers. You buy an asset. The Arbitrage Artist is a system hacker. You find a broken $100 espresso machine on a garage sale app, spend $5 on a fuse you found on a forum, and flip it for $400. You take that $400, buy 3 cracked iPhones, fix the screens yourself, and turn them into $1,500. By the end of the year, you've traded up 20 times, and you're driving a car you got for free through pure math and manual labor. You aren't a businessman, you're a glitch in the economy. You've realized that retail price is just a suggestion for people who are too lazy to do the work. The status borrower. This is the proximity play. You're down to your last $2,000. Instead of saving it, you spend $1,500 on one perfectly tailored suit and $500 on a membership to an elite co-working space or a high-end hotel bar. You are borrowing status. You know that if you stand in a room with 5 billionaires, eventually you'll be the 6th. You aren't there to drink, you're there to be seen as one of them. You're gambling on the fact that one conversation with a desperate CEO is worth 10 years of climbing the corporate ladder. It's a high-stakes bluff. If you don't land a deal in 3 months, you're homeless. But if you do, you've skipped the line. The content farmer. You've realized that in 2026, attention is more valuable than oil. You don't make art, you make retention. You run 12 faceless YouTube channels where AI writes the scripts, AI generates the voiceovers, and stock footage does the heavy lifting. You spend 16 hours a day looking at red and green lines on a dashboard, figuring out why people clicked away at second 5. You're printing $40,000 a month while you sleep because you've mastered the dopamine loops of 3 billion strangers. You're rich, but your soul feels like a 144p resolution thumbnail. The Intentional NPC. The NPC is the silent grinder. No flash, no flex, just pure discipline. You work a 9 to 5, eat the same chicken and rice every day, and buy your clothes from the discount rack. You don't chase hustles or moonshots. You chase compound interest. You dump 70% of your income into boring index funds and wait. While everyone else is crying over their failed startups or their status borrowing suit getting repossessed, you're quietly crossing the $1 million net worth mark. You aren't trying to live your best life in your 20s. You're trying to buy your freedom at 40. By the time your friends are burnt out, you're retired, mortgage-free, and walking your dog at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. The Degenerate Gambler. You're 17, it's 3 a.m., and your friend tells you to buy a crypto coin called Pepe Rocket. You shrug, chuck in $200, and go to sleep. A month later, you wake up and you're a multi-millionaire because you YOLO'd into a digital joke. This is high-stakes speculation. It's the modern version of putting everything on black. The upside is a Lambo at 18. The downside is being the bottom of the barrel, and the barrel is leaking. For every one Pepe Rocket coin millionaire, there are 10,000 kids who lost their college fund chasing a green candle. It's not a strategy, it's a prayer. The Relationship Strategist. The oldest wealth-building play in history. You're 23, you're objectively stunning, and you've realized that your runway cheekbones are a depreciating asset. So, you find an exit strategy. You marry a 78-year-old billionaire who calls you Angel, even though he forgets your birthday. People call you a gold digger. You call it a high-margin merger. There's no business risk, no taxes, and no startup capital required. You're not investing, you're inheriting. It's not ethical, but it's undeniably effective. Just don't mess up the act by crying too hard at the funeral. You've got a yacht party to plan. The high-ticket consultant. You are the one of one. You aren't looking for a job. You are a specialist who solves a $10 million problem for a $1 million fee. Maybe you're the guy who knows how to fix a specific type of AI server, or the guy who knows how to navigate tax laws in 3 different continents. You don't get paid for your time, you get paid for your judgment. While everyone else is competing for $20 an hour, you're charging $20,000 for a phone call. The barrier to entry is massive. It takes a decade to get this good. But once you're there, you don't chase money. Money chases you. The new system glitch. You find the most boring problem on Earth: small business compliance. You build a simple software that automatically files local taxes for plumbing companies and hair salons. It doesn't get you featured in Forbes, but it's a sticky service. Once a business starts using it, they never stop. You have 1,000 customers paying you $50 a month. That's $50,000 a month in pure automated profit. You've bypassed the grind by building a digital toll booth on a road that everyone has to drive on. You aren't a visionary, you're just the guy who realized that boring is where the real money is hidden. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about which thin line logic you decide to follow. If you want to see every way to master your status and your bank account in 2026, hit subscribe. The system is rigged. Learn the rules so you can play it.